Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke and I'm here with Larry, and he has this wonderful 1959 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, and he's going to tell us just a little bit about it and kind of the history. So take it away.
Well, this car was purchased in Scarsdale, New York from the Cadillac dealership, right off the showroom floor by my grandfather for my grandmother. And it was purchased because my grandfather and grandmother had gotten into an argument, and to make up for it, my grandfather went and picked this car out for her, and then she stored it in Scarsdale, New York, where I used to go visit it as a little kid when we'd take family trips out to Scarsdale. And then eventually it came to Barrington, Illinois, where my mother inherited it from my grandmother, and I ended up restoring this car for my mother because I basically owed her college money. And so I put this together. It took a couple years to restore, and now we're selling it at the Barrett-Jackson auction, which I've watched many times. Decided that someone would probably enjoy this car in their garage because when I lost my father, that's where the car was being stored in a barn, and now it's here to be auctioned off. In beautiful condition. You want to pop the hood and see what's underneath? Absolutely. I'll show you the engine here. Wow, shiny. All right, so what's powering this gorgeous Series 62? This is a 390, and it's a turbo trans, all restored. We chromed the two headers and where the air filter cap is. This right here, we had to find on another car up in Madison, Wisconsin, where a person was selling parts for the Cadillac. We didn't have this, and it's really hard to find that, but we put this in here because it was original to the car. I also restored the master cylinder recently by a company out of Pennsylvania, Bendix Corporation. This is original to the car, and the guy I talked to sold it to me, picked out the best one, and we put that on and restored all the brakes. So all the brakes are in perfect running condition. And speaking of perfect condition, can I just say this looks absolutely gorgeous. I think you've done a fantastic job. Thank you, I appreciate that.
You did this all yourself.
I had a guy that restored it, but I had to manage the project because he only took cash.
Okay.
So I had to go over and see, what did you do? What are you going to do? So I would put a deposit down for what he was going to do, and I would manage what he had already done, making sure that he had finished what he told me he was planning on doing to the car.
Right on.
And then I just basically kept track of all the invoices and managed the restoration, and it was a 2-year restoration.
Cool. Well, let's head over to the interior and check it out.
Okay.
Love the red.
It really pops with the car. I think the white and the red is probably one of the most classic looks on a 59 Cadillac myself, but I'm biased to the car, and it really is beautiful and fun to ride in. And when we were in Barrington, we used to do the 4th of July parades, and all the kids would sit on the back of the car here. So we did many a parade for 4th of July in Barrington, Illinois. And,
I can't imagine a better car to experience that in.
It was great. So we would put the kids back here, and we were driving the parade, and everybody would honk and wave at us. And so it's got a lot of sentimental value to me, and I'm really having a hard time wanting to sell it, but I think it would make somebody a great addition to their collection if that's what they're looking for, or just somebody who's a big Cadillac person. You know, I know they would enjoy this car.
Of course. And I gotta ask, how does this thing drive?
This thing drives like you're on a magic carpet or you're riding on a cloud. You don't feel a bump when you're driving it. And it's just something. You get a feeling when you're driving this car like no other feeling. It's just, you'd have to experience it. But it really is fun to drive.
That is so cool. And looking at it from the rear here, man, this thing is absolutely long.
F-16, the same guy that designed the F-16 actually designed the Cadillac.
I can see the inspiration, especially with these giant fins here.
They're like the flames coming off the back of the burner for the jet.
Now, I have to ask you, your favorite thing about this vehicle?
Wow, favorite thing about this vehicle?
I know, very specific.
I would imagine the favorite thing about this vehicle is the chrome, because I know what went into restoring the chrome. It was like a 5-step process. And then of course, the convertible top, because I'm a ragtop guy, and if you're a ragtop guy, you won't buy a hard top. And that's kind of how I've been. I have a 1970 Impala, exact same colors, convertible, and I won't buy a hardtop any longer just because I'm a ragtop man now.
All right, so this vehicle is going to be auctioned up on Saturday. Lot number 769.1, and I'm sure it's going to fetch quite a high price for being such a gorgeous vehicle. So we really appreciate your time.
It was nice meeting you guys. I really enjoyed talking to you, and I'm hoping for the best for this car with its new owner.
Right on. Thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.